Number 42. Find the length of the arc of a circle of diameter 14 meters subtended by the central angle of 5 pi over 6. All right, so 5 pi over 6 what? Degrees? Radians? They didn't tell me, but anytime you see a pi and they don't tell you, it probably is safe to assume radians. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw a coordinate system, okay? And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to now draw a circle around this coordinate system. So I might have to adjust it ever so slightly. So just bear with me for 2 seconds. We'll extend that on up. We'll extend that on down. We'll extend that on over. And that looks about, well, doesn't that look a little off? That looks a little better. So and we know from prior problems that this represents the axes, and if I'm talking about in terms of radians, this represents 0 radians to positive x. This would represent pi over 2 radians up at the top. So this angle measurement, you know that to be 90 degrees normally, right? But that's also pi over 2 radians. You know that this over here is pi radians then. And then down here is 3/2 pi radians. Okay? Now, it says find the length of the arc of a circle of diameter 14 meters. Oh, they're trying to screw with us now, right? So they gave you the diameter. But you know the important piece is probably going to be the radius. So let's just hold off for 2 seconds, okay? And they said the central angle in this problem is 5 pi over 6. In other words, 5/6 of a pi. Look at the picture now. If this is a full pi, meaning if you went from 0, if you rotated a line, right? Let me see if I can grab that. No, I can't. Let me just extend a little past. If you rotated this line right now, a full pi radian, it would end there. But you didn't rotate it a full pi radian. What'd you rotate it? 5/6 of a pi. So if this represented a full pi all the way over, then maybe 5/6 of it is there. Wouldn't that be fair? Right? So in other words, the angle here between these two right now that I just drew is going to be 5 pi over 6 radians. And what we're trying to do now is we're trying to find this arc length. Okay? We're trying to find that arc length. It always corrects to a parabola. We're trying to find that arc length. Okay? That's what we're trying to find. The length of that arc. So it turns out that there is a relationship between the central angle and the radius of the circle, okay, to find then the arc length. The formula is this, that the arc length is going to be equal to the central angle in radians multiplied by the radius of the circle. So we know the angle in radians. They told it to us. It was 5 pi over 6, so that's easy. Just plug it in. But what did they tell you then about the radius? Well, they didn't tell you the radius, they told you the diameter. But if you know the diameter is 14 meters, what's the radius, ladies and gentlemen? The radius is half of that, right? In other words, it is 7 meters. Okay? So you're going to take that now and multiply it by 7 meters. When you do this, you find a value, and if you want to simplify or leave it exact, that's fine. But this would be 35 over 6 pi meters. Okay? What does that even mean in terms of like an actual value? Take out your calculator and do it. Do 35 times pi, 3.14 roughly, right? And then divide it by 6. So this literally works out to be, well, this literally works out to be 18.3 meters. In other words, what I'm trying to tell you is this. The length of this blue arc is 18.3 meters. Pretend you took a string, right? And you took a string and you outlined the circle. And then you took that piece of string, okay? You took that piece, and then you flattened it out, okay? You made it straight. You made it straight. So it would be longer than that, right? It'd be like probably even longer than that. But it would be this. And then you took a measuring tape of some sort, or you were able to measure it. Guess what it would be? It'd be 18.3 meters. Or exactly, it would be 35 over 6 pi meters. Okay? But that's all it is. Guys, thanks for tuning in. Hopefully that helps. Look forward to helping you with more problems. Take care.